Troy University offered new students on campus a chance to learn how to make the transition into college life a little easier. Amy Moore has the story.
We will survive college.
Freshmen crowded into Eldridge Hall on Thursday to learn about some of the support Troy has to offer students. It was emphasized to students that they don't have to figure out everything this year.
I still learned things today, things I didn't know about the university, even though I went here for 3 years. So I definitely think it's very beneficial for students to be able to come and just hear new things, also to hear experiences. Maybe it's things that they're going through right now, they don't really know how to navigate.
Students learn how to get involved, find campus resources, and meet new people, while getting the chance to win fun new prizes. However, Leilani gives insight on how making friends is a bit difficult as she starts freshman year.
Something I've been struggling with is making friends that are easy to talk to, that share my experiences.
As ties, keychains, and magnets come around the room after answering fun questions, Gabriel felt these meetings help other students feel more comfortable connecting with other fellow Trojans.
It kind of gives different freshmen and different new students an opportunity to meet different people that are at the same place that you are. Just coming in, not knowing really anybody, and just being able to talk to somebody that's also new that doesn't know really anybody either.
From freshman to senior, Troy University students are finding new ways to get involved, make connections, and build their college experiences. Remember, you will survive college. Amy Moore, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The Office of Career Services is having a part-time career fair on Tuesday on the Quad.